What's process control all about? Lots of things take place around your process or application. You need to regulate something, for example, or close it, manage it, or secure it. For this, you need things like valves and other appendages, such as components for local operation and readout. And you need sensors. After all, you want to measure pressure, temperature, level, and flow. And you want to perform analysis measurements, such as pH and conductivity. But let's get back to you, the customer. You see, we look at things from your perspective. You have a process or an application, for example, or you have a description of what you want to do, or an idea about equipment design and how you want to implement this. Perhaps you want to optimize a system, or you have an objective such as saving energy, compressed air, or steam. In our conversation with you, we make a drawing based on these starting points. For example, we draw a processing tank and a system of pipelines around that. We want to visualize this in its entirety. This gives us a schematic image of your wishes that we can then elaborate in 3D, if so desired. In this manner, a complete system design is created, a skid, for example, or an installation, or a control loop. A parts list or a quotation then follows. We then provide you with a bespoke solution substantiated with the required components and a description of what has been sketched. With your approval for the implementation of the proposed solution, this is then further engineered into the final execution. What does this execution actually consist of? Let's take another look at what is required in an installation. You want to measure pressure, temperature, level, and flow and analysis. You need sensors for this. With regulating valves, you can control a process or a flow, and therefore the temperature as well, for example. But you can also close something off in this way. Imagine a vessel is full. At that point, you want to close off a pipeline with an open-close valve. And to have valves react and to know their position, you want to be able to activate them. You also want to be able to control them. And before anything goes wrong, you want to be able to secure a process using sensors and valves. But you also want to be able to signal, log, and record. If a valve is closed, you want to be able to see that it is closed. A signal can be given for that too, in this case with a position indicator. To make all these actions possible, we have a unique proposition for you. We have know-how in the area of applications and products, for example. We can do engineering and 3D drawing, and we offer a complete product range of renowned manufactured products, including our own Econ brand. In addition, we share knowledge internally and externally via our academy and by using our demo installation, the flow loop. We can assemble and test your skid or control loop completely in our workplaces. After this, our field service team can take care of the commissioning on location, if required. And if your skid or control loop has been in operation for some time, we can also periodically calibrate the applied sensors. All of this together comprises our proposition. Thanks to the integral system approach of ERIKS Econosto, the mutual coordination of components, and with this, optimum operation of your skid or control loop is ensured, while their development proceeds much more efficiently. And that saves you both time and money.